Excellent.
Oh.
Hello guys, today we're back again with a new unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing the new and exciting DJI Mavic 3. And we have been waiting for this new drone for a long time now. We bought this drone like about a month ago and it's pretty expensive. It's around $4,200 and it's the most expensive drone on the planet now. And as I think, it might be the most best and improved version of Mavic Air 3. So today we'll be doing the unboxing and yeah, let's get to it. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Wait.
You know?
No. Yep.
Ooh, this actually is heavy. I feel I hear a lot of things in this.
Oh, it opens from the back.
The packet looks way cooler than the Mavic Air 2.
Stop doing it quickly. Okay. Instruction guides. Leave this side. Rules. Okay. Now the drone. Okay, let's set the drone first. That is probably the lenses. The new Mavic Air 3 drone has a different covering, I guess. It has like a muzzle-like top to cover the protected glass, nearly the same weight as Mavic Air 2.
And it looks more bigger.
Because of the propellers. So you open it because it's magnet, easily done. Put that to the side.
Oh, that looks
So this is a Mavic Air 3. So the DJI Mavic Air 3 has more and new improved sensors, so it can go through woodland by tracking you. The propellers are longer, which makes the whole thing look bigger, and it has a new feature. It has dual cameras.
Wait.
So both is for videoing and photography, but the top is for zooming in and making it more bigger.
So now let's see what's inside this mysterious box. So let's get into unboxing this thing.
This is the charger for the batteries.
Thinking?
To the charger, and then you put the battery, and then you put this into another cable. No, not there. That's it. Oh my god.
So on the back of the drone and between the sensors, we see like a cable that makes us put this cable in for it, like a charger.
Plug.
So let's put this in.
You need to. So then you have to then you can connect this to your computer or any device to put the data in there.
Okay. You want to open this?
No.
Okay.
No. Now we have the filters for the drone. As you didn't know, these are the different colored lenses you can put on the drone to make different colors. So as you can see, they provided us with 4 filters to put on the drone. So you can take them out and put it on the front of the drone on the camera to make it darker or lighter. There's ID4, ND8, ND16 and ND32 to make it darker or lighter. The lightest is ND4.
Okay, so now we have this controller. So to not make this fall since it's heavy, let's just move it all the way here. So let's take out this controller. This looks good. I like how this is, you can control these. So we can set this up, but first we have to take this off. And if you know our iPhone video, we have our 13 Pro Max iPhone.
The DJI Mavic 3 controller has new buttons. Instead of tripod for Mavic Air 2, they added Cine to go extra slow, normal to go as normal speed, and sport to go as fast as you can. Mostly used to track people like motorcycles or bicycles or any vehicle. Now we're going to see the comparison between the Mavic 3 and the Mavic Air 2.
Okay.
So we take this carefully off, place it, unfold the wings nice and carefully. Okay.
As you can see, the Mavic Air 2 is way shorter than the Mavic Air 3.
No. As you can see, the Mavic Air 2 is much smaller than the Mavic Air 3. The on button on the Mavic Air 2 is located at the top, while the on button on the Mavic 3 is located at the back, where the USB cable should go for the batteries. The battery is also much smaller, and the wings, the propellers are way smaller. Right, the DJI Mavic 3 has personally more flight time, 46 minutes each battery, but 30 minutes for each battery. This has 16 more minutes and 16 less.
So as you can see, that where you have to place the batteries is on the top, while for here, you have to place the batteries right here where the sensors are. And these two have two back sensors, but for the Mavic Air 2, I don't actually think it has one sensor. The battery's up like this. So if you want to make this all charge in one day, it will take 35 minutes. So 1 hour and, no, not 1 hour, 2 hours and 15 minutes.
So guys, now we're gonna go outside and test the drones. Okay, see you for now. Bye!
Bye! What is that?
Do you see that?
You bought that!
What is this? Drone. But shh, মামুনিকে কিছু বলা যাবে না। মামুনিকে বললে আমি আউটসাইড অফ হাউস, আমি গাড়িতে থাকবো, ভাইয়া গ্যারেজে থাকবে, তুমি আউটসাইড অফ দিস হাউস। এন্ড অনলি তুমি শুধুমাত্র ঘরের ভিতরে থাকতে পারবা। এটা পাবো ড্রোন। ওকে, সি।
Yo, Mavic Air 3.
Hello.
আবার আবার আবার
Hello.
আবার আবার আবার